Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to crop an image in Canva. So first, open your project in Canva. This could be a design you've been working on or something you want to update with a crop image. So to crop an image within your project, click on the image you want to crop. And you'll see an option here to edit photo. Please click on it. And then click on the crop options, and then you can then crop your image by just dragging the corner like that. And once you're done, just click on done, and your image is now already crop. And that's it. You now know how to crop an image in Canva even when you're working on an existing project. It's a handy skill to have for making adjustments and improving your designs. Before we wrap up, remember that Canva is a versatile tool with many creative possibilities. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment to make your designs truly stand out. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to crop an image in Canva. See you on my next video.